A little Papa's house. Give it up for Brother Happy. We are here in the spirit of remembrance for those who suffer and grieve, and for what we have done and how we have failed to protect those, the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. As we assemble to recommit ourselves, let us take a moment of silence to pray for the victims of violence everywhere, including our brothers and sisters at Virginia Tech. In the subsequent months following Hurricane Katrina's landfall, I drove an emergency response vehicle in the 9th Ward and in St. Bernard Parish. Working to help the victims of Katrina is an experience that has fundamentally changed my life. Every day, I think about the folks I've met and how their lives have been negatively altered. These thoughts and reflections often lead to sleepless nights. But I am here today, ready to do more, ready to rebuild. In fact, we are all gathered here right now because we're ready to remind America and the rest of the world that more must be done to restore the great city of New Orleans. The aftermath of Hurricane Katrina engendered the worst natural disaster in American history, destroying nearly 300,000 homes, killing 1,600 people. I know a little bit about destruction and dismay. I grew up in foster care from the age of 4. I never met my biological father until I found out that he was shot over drug money. The victims who are displaced are similar to my experience in foster care. And today, 20 months after the storm, we continue to hear the cry of Katrina's victims. But we are one nation. But we have yet to answer the call for greater self-sacrifice, nor have we demanded greater accountability of our elected officials. Rarely in the contemporary history of our nation have we suffered from such inept, incompetent, and immoral leadership from local, state, and federal officials. We have a president who lacks the moral courage to fix FEMA and to waive the Stafford Act, which is a 10% law that requires the Gulf states to repay the federal recovery assistance. The deficit of real leadership tasked to improve the plight of Katrina's victims is something that troubles us all. And therefore I, as a college student, I'm a senior at Georgetown University, I have decided to commit myself wholly to the task of rebuilding our city, gutting houses, and providing warmth and comfort for those who are displaced. Every American, let me just say that, every American and every citizen of the world must not only hear the cry of Katrina's victims, but we all must heed the call for self-sacrifice. Aiding the victims of Hurricane Katrina is the greatest moral challenge of our time. The victims of Katrina are ready to rebuild. We must accept that and act upon it. You know, the greatness of America rests in our spirit of service to others. I strongly believe in my heart that we can meet this challenge. We know that America is full of narratives where we have triumphed over grave adversity. Don't sit on the sidelines. Don't sit on the sidelines. Stand up for justice. Come on. Stand up for justice. Stand up for justice. Stand up for justice. Rebuild our city. Give up,